Hello, Lake Elsinore. I thought I'd film the birds again at LA Fitness. As you see, there's a little bird up in his nest that he built up on the side of the wall. They tore down a lot of nests along this building. They're a cute little bird. You see they tore down the nest. I don't know if that's a rebuild or that's what they couldn't get down. Pretty little birds. I don't know if they're swallows or what. So, I know San Juan Capistrano has a certain time of year all the birds return in San Juan. See, they tore those nests down. I mean, I don't know why they're making a deal out of it. You see all the homeless running around the streets of Lake Elsinore, the druggies. That tells you the town gone to the birds. Yeah, jailbirds. Oh yeah, there's a couple up there. Not much of their nest left. Been pretty well much destroyed. There's a little part of one up there. Little bird ain't hurting anything. In fact, they might be good to have around. Yeah. Homeless try to hang out in this area. You've seen the videos where people are walking down the street and the birds dive bomb them. Well, they may run the homeless out of the area. Yeah. They're probably mad because their house got destroyed. Probably more than one was using the nest. How about all you bird lovers get together and start building little walls and have an eave like that? These little birds can build a little house. Yeah. There you go. You see that full nest? You can see the little mama bird in there. Yep. I can see her moving around. Pretty little bird. Yeah, Gavin Newsom. Instead of trying to save fish, drying up river that you did a poor job at trying to save those fish. Well, you should have done something like this to save the little birds' homes. Yeah, build a little wall up for them and make sure they have something like that they can get under and build their nest. I guess they build that out of mud. There she is, pruning her feathers. Yeah, to oil them up. Yep. Hey buddy, you ain't paying rent and get out of here. Guess what they're doing? They're building a nest. Yeah, you need to build that low spot up. Yeah, for your eggs don't roll out. See all the birds flying around? There's a bunch of them around here. LA Fitness in Lake Elsinore. I got one way up there in that corner. Okay, end of my video. You like birds? Want to see some? Come and walk around LA Fitness here in Lake Elsinore, down on the side of the wall of the building. Alright, thank you for watching my video.